The Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition for Tuesday, the 15th day of March. I'm James Spann. Today should be the warmest day so far this year. However, in about 5 or 6 days, much colder air blows in here, maybe some frost or even a freeze in spots by Sunday and Monday morning. And we're trending drier too, so let's go in there and check things out. That's the water vapor satellite view across the nation early this morning. Got kind of a zonal flow here. A trough approaching the upper Midwest. Got some thunderstorms up there, but things are quiet here. Starting off the day as cold as 45 in Fort Payne. Cullman and Gadsden 49, Birmingham 54. We'll expect a high in the low and mid 80s today. Many spots have seen 80 earlier this month, but Birmingham is not. The official high so far in Birmingham for the year is 79. We should easily beat that today. Around the nation, colder air moving into the northern Rockies behind that trough over in the Midwest. And again, we'll see noticeably colder air by the time the weekend gets here, especially Sunday and Monday. Here's the watch warning map. How about a high wind watch for Chicago, Milwaukee, over to Des Moines with a very deep surface low expected up there later today. We've got a winter storm watch for parts of northern Minnesota. And red flag warnings for much of the southern plains because of the high wildfire danger. Severe storms not down here today, but way up north. Cities like Chicago with a chance of severe weather. A marginal risk down to the Ohio River, but no risk of severe weather with a trailing front down here. Tomorrow, general thunderstorms are possible for South Alabama, but severe weather not expected. And pretty much the same thing on day 3, which is Thursday. No organized severe weather risks identified. QPF chart. This is the rain for the next 5 days, valid through Sunday morning. Let me tell you what, the models have really trended drier for us. We might catch a few showers after midnight tonight, early tomorrow, and that might be about it, as you'll see. Let's take you through it. The GFS, the 06E run, valid today at 1 o'clock local time. You can see the trough coming into the plains. A deep surface low is forming near Jefferson City, Missouri, with a trailing front that is inactive because of the lack of moisture. And again, for us today, sunny and very warm. The GFS at 83, the NAM at 82 for Birmingham. Tonight, the surface low deepens. That's 985 millibars. Very deep, very windy. That's the reason for the high wind watch there. And again, the trailing front may be beginning to pick up a few showers as it approaches the northwestern corner of the state. And this is 6 o'clock tomorrow morning off the high-resolution NAM, the 4-kilometer NAM. And it's got a band of showers coming through here. So we are going to insert a chance of showers after midnight tonight and very early tomorrow morning. Some of you may be driving to work in that, but it's not going to last long, and the rain will not be that heavy, and there is no chance of severe weather. And then by midday tomorrow, the sun will be out. After some early morning showers, a bright sunny day with a high in the mid-70s, dropping maybe about 8 degrees. Thursday, the models advertised rain Thursday morning. Well, they have really backed off on that, suggesting any rain Thursday morning will be near the immediate Gulf Coast. So we will amend our forecast and now indicate the sky being partly to mostly sunny with a high again in the mid-70s. This is just to check on it. This is the high-res NAM, and it's an agreement. I mean, there is nothing there at midday Thursday. That's 12 noon. Friday looks like a dry day. The rain just offshore down in the Gulf of Mexico. Friday should be a sunny day, and that's a cooler air mass dropping in here. The high will drop into the 60s. The GFS is showing 66 and a cool weekend ahead. And look at that. Again, Saturday, both the European and the GFS earlier had rain. Well, all of a sudden it's dry as a bone. Saturday looks cool and dry with a high around 60. Pretty good north breeze. And even Saturday morning, we might do upper 30s. So Saturday morning is going to be kind of chilly. Look at that, a chance of snow flurries in spots up in parts of Tennessee and Kentucky and western Virginia. Thought we'd check the European just for the fun of it. And again, it's trending dry like the GFS. It's got the bulk of the rain well to the south. Let's go to Sunday, 1029 high near Greenville, Mississippi, a cool, dry air mass. And by golly, all of a sudden here, the GFS wants to spit out lows near freezing early Sunday in spots. We're not going to go that cold in our forecast at this point. We're going to use mid-30s, but just be aware we might have a risk of frost or maybe a freeze in the colder pockets early Sunday morning. And during the day, the high will be only in the 50s, despite a sunny sky. And this is Monday. Same thing, sunny with a cold morning. These are numbers coming off the GFS. They're mostly in the mid-30s. So understand, we're still, 5-6 days away here. These numbers could change, but clearly on both Sunday and Monday morning, we'll see the numbers down in the 30s with a risk of frost or a freeze. There's a look at the numbers coming off Buff Kit. You can see those colder mornings. Let's go to Tuesday of next week. A week from today, this is March 22nd. New trough developing out there in the Rockies. And we're still dry, mostly sunny. We start to warm up. The high should be back around 70. This is the end of the forecast period. Ooh, look at that trough. This is Thursday, March 24th, Thursday of next week. That could be trouble. And all of a sudden now we have a severe weather look with a surface low deep one near St. Louis with showers and storms in here. But understand, this is absolute voodoo. This could change, just something to watch. Here's a look at the anomalies March 22nd through March 28th. Above average for much of the country, and you can see the numbers coming off the ensembles. And again, I do think it's going to be colder Sunday and Monday morning. We should be well down in the 30s those mornings, but after that, we go back in the 70s with lows mostly in the 50s. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.